So, you want to be a filmmaker? If so, keep on watching. Hey, my name is Dylan. I do entertainment, reacting, acting, and tutorial videos like this one. If you want to see more videos like this, go down below and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future uploads. And now let's get started. Okay, now let's first off asking ourselves, what is a filmmaker? Now I'm going to drop down the Google definition on the screen here. A filmmaker or film director is someone who is in charge of making, leading, and developing movie productions. Career allows an individual to use their creativity, art, and leadership to lead and direct major motion pictures or made for television films. Okay, what it's telling you there in that Google definition is telling them a filmmaker is someone who does the craft of movie production, of film production. So I want you guys to understand what a filmmaker does. When you pick up a camera, you produce something like a short video of something you're talking about, whatever. You're a filmmaker, okay? It's pretty much someone in the film industry makes videos. So it's film and plus maker is, makes videos of, film, movie, films, movies in the film industry, and it could be different sectors, okay? There's professional as the filmmakers make movies, series, Netflix originals, and there's other ones do, promo ads, advertisements, They do I want you guys to understand the concept of this. So filmmakers start doing the video movie production, so the filming part, and then they have people who do the editing craft, and then they send an MP4 file to someone like a client or the production team who's making a movie or a film, feature film, whatever it is, to release that to a streaming platform or on social media, whatever the end goal, the end mission, whatever. So, asking the question here, how you can become a filmmaker right now. During this whole crisis, how can you become a filmmaker? And it's pretty easy, and I've done it before when I was very little, and I still am, and I have a lot of knowledge in the film industry. So what I would give you, one of my 5 ways how to become a filmmaker is get started. Just get started. Just pick up your phone. You could start with your phone, and that's how I started. You just film whatever. And a lot of people who get started, you could just start over social media, and you could expand that way to, if your end goal is to go in these professional films, screenplay, do these professional screenplays, work with actors on the crew on set, work on movies, series stuff, shows, commercials, like the shows and television. You have to work and improve your experience. It's not going to take overnight thing, but you need to get started. You have to find a way how you can get started. There's no one way to get started. The philosophy of this is when you pick up a camera, you're a filmmaker, and find a passion of you creating content over YouTube, like what I'm doing right now. You could, create content. People can, leave your video with value, whatever. And yeah, just create content, just get started. That's what you get out of this video, just get started, all right? And the second way how you can become a filmmaker is make connections. As many connections you can learn from as a filmmaker who is 1 or 2, 3, 4, even 10 levels above you. You could learn from what the filmmaking industry, what they did wrong, the mistakes they done in the past, their work, what type of projects they done. If they have some leads, you could work with them. They have some connections, you could work with this production team, Disney, or these types of companies you can work for, And what I have, so the third one, I kind of said this already in the video, I don't know how long this video is make experience. Improve your craft, make your own experience. Like I said in the beginning of the video, in the first way how you can become a filmmaker is get started. Make experience. Pick up, if you start with a phone, an iPhone, that's perfect. Just pick up a phone and then over time upgrade to a Canon, a camera. Over time upgrade your camera to, get better in the filmmaking industry. So number 4, how to become a filmmaker is improve. Improve your work. Improve everything you possibly need to be good at, like filming your face, looking at the lens directly, and a lot of people do that. Having camera confidence. Maybe it's editing or like graphic design, and a lot of people just focus on the filmmaking part, and that's good, you know. Focus on cinematic or focus length, or just focus on the film. Just have a mindset of what you need to figure out, you need to be good at to improve on filmmaking, to become a filmmaker. And one of my last ways is you don't need to go to film school in order to be a filmmaker. And there's a lot of reasons to buy this. Like, we're living in 2020. And the last reason, the 5th way how to become a filmmaker, how you can become a filmmaker, sorry. You know, there's a lot of studies about this. I done my research over time. So I read a lot of Quora questions on Quora.com. There's a lot of people say you could learn as much information online, YouTube, like this video right now. You could learn as much information you can and put that to action. That's the advice I would give you. Learn the information you need to implement that into work, and later on that work will succeed. Send that message, omnipresent the message to, you know, a director or whatever you're trying to reach to. All right, that's that of the 5 ways how you can become a filmmaker right now in 2021. The key takeaway I want you guys to get out of this is just get started. Or you have no experience at all, just get started anyway. Even you don't even have a expensive camera, $500, $1,000 camera, just get started with your iPhone or Android, whatever stuff you have now in your primary possession right now. Just get started, make experience, make some connections. All right guys, this is it for the video. If you guys want to see more entertainment tutorials, me talking about the entertainment industry, how to become a filmmaker, directors, like in all of that set of categories, leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more future uploads in the future. And I'm Dylan. See you guys in the next video. Peace.